job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club.
Let me put this here. Hey guys, so I'm actually, hold up, my wax girl. I'm actually about to go to my wax appointment now, so I will talk to y'all when I get back out. Hey y'all, sorry, I literally am about to walk into my hair appointment. It's been just a crazy ass week. Like, this is why I don't vlog, because I'll be moving and shaking, and this week has been nuts. I'm about to go and get my hair done. I don't know if I want to vlog while I'm in there, but you can see I look crazy as hell. Here's the inspo picture or video. I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the screen. It's Beats by Deb. I really like that hairstyle, so I'm gonna do that for my trip to Cancun. I'm about to go in, and yes, it's about to work her magic, because this, I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all this, and I look a mess. So I'm about to walk in and get my hair done, and I will see you guys when I get back out. Got my hair done. Oh my gosh, you can see it. It looks so good. Yes, always does a really good ass job every time she does my hair. But I'm literally running from one thing to another. This is why, oops, hold up, my music. This is why I can't vlog right, and I can't stop at home because the stores are about to close, and I'm meeting my cousin up. We're gonna go to Ulta and Sephora to pick up some last minute stuff. So I'm actually vlogging on my phone right now. I can't get my DJI because it's back home, and I don't feel like going back home because, again, we're gonna be wasting time. I gotta give her birthday gift also. You guys can come with me. Hey y'all, so right now we gotta lock in a little bit because, as you can tell, my room's a mess. I still have to pack. It's the day before the trip. I actually finally figured out this DJI mic situation. I used to think I had to always put my transmitter in order to use it with my DJI, which is great that I figured this out before I went on vacation. So we're really gonna be locking in for like a good travel vlog, because I really want to get that for you guys and get on my travel vlog type of vibe, because travel vlogs are my thing, if you can't tell. So this is my suitcase. I took this when I went on a cruise, and yes, I have a cover. Yes, I'm bougie. I got a brand new luggage set for my 31st birthday, I think. And I ain't messing this up, because if you go to Philadelphia airport, they be throwing, I mean, yeeting these suitcases. We're gonna lock in. I'm gonna start packing. My toiletry bag actually saves me so much time when I pack. This is my bread and butter right here. I just replenish products and call it a day. We were originally supposed to go to Orlando. I want to say like beginning of, or was it the middle of July, and ended up canceling that trip. We're supposed to go to Atlanta, I think like 2 weeks before that. So probably end of like June-ish or whatever. That got canceled due to family emergencies. So this is my first official vacation of the summer. I've been itching to go on a fucking vacation. It's just been so much this year. Honestly, your girl's tired. I literally been busting my ass and just doing a lot. And I need a break. Mommy needs a break. I want a strong strawberry lemon drop. First is usually my travel outfit. So like my airport outfit. So I have one going to and one going from. So I usually start there and then I work off of that. I have this bathing suit, is so cute. I have this bathing suit and I have another one because I think I have like 2 bathing suits to rotate towards. I didn't really go crazy with bathing suits this time around. I really didn't go shopping. I tried to shop my closet because I'm trying to be good and not shop as much, which is really cute. I actually got this when I was up in Boston with my cousins at their TJ Maxx up there. It's a Michael Kors bathing suit, so it's very cutesy. I also got this beach bag. I have my portable fan here. I also got a full speaker for our room because when I be getting ready, if you know me, I'll be listening to Jeezy. The sooner I can get this all done, the sooner I can relax. I still have to wax my eyebrows, still have to wax my legs, my arms, and I get my nails and my feet done tonight after work. And I also got this really cute romper. Most of the stuff I got from off of Fashion Nova. My mom and my sister were telling me they have some type of all white party situation going on. So we're only there from Thursday, Sunday. So 4 nights, 5 days. So maybe I do need an extra outfit or 2. I'ma just be going with the flow. I have a cute beach hat that I bought, even though I'll be wearing my sunglasses. So, and it's really cutesy. Oh my God, I can't wait. I'm be looking so bitch. This is one of my outfits. I cannot wait to wear this bitch. So comfy, and it gives me nostalgia. This romper, me in a tan with this romper. Y'all better look the fuck out. My cousin came by and we started sipping because she's going on a cruise. We going to Mexico. Why not? So this is why I can't vlog, because stuff be happening in real time at my house. It's never a quiet moment. So I always take my jean jacket. If you know me, you know, like this is my ride or die. So I usually will wear this on the plane with me. I'm trying to clean my room at the same time. And I got too much stuff. So I can't wait to move because I got too much shit. These are pretty cute. Hold up. These are pretty cute. And I got them in a size extra large. And they're kind of yoga pants. Something real cute, comfy, move around. Usually for airport type of outfits, I usually gravitate towards something comfy, something you can get in and out of, because I try not to drink a lot of water when I'm at the airport because number one, I pee a lot. Number two, when you're in the airport, you gotta be moving and shaking. They don't got time, baby. I usually wear like a jogging or a legging set to the airport. I always have socks when I go to the airport. Because again, I'm not putting my feet on nobody's crusty ass airlines floors. I usually like to carry a lot of chargers with me. You never know who needs what.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got people. Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh. You can't even send these. 'Cause all of these niggas be on you.
Okay, y'all, so we're currently on the way for me to get my nails done, my nails and my feet done. I literally gonna go all day. I'm like 95% done packing. I'm gonna run to Ulta, Sephora one last time to make sure I got everything I need. And then I'm run to Walmart to get a little last bit of stuff. And then so I ended up having to come to Sephora. Okay, so we secured the bag. I'm a little nervous about this powder foundation because nobody told me that Fenty got rid of their foundation because there was talc in it. I don't know, I missed the memo. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I'm going to finish packing all my stuff. Okay, so I dipped up dinner, went to the mall really fast, picked up this last stuff from Sephora. I'm going to weigh this first because I gotta be under 40 pounds. Oh my God, fuck. It's a little too heavy. Who says 40 pounds? Like 39? I have to start fitting stuff into my backpack. So I'm going to put this out and invest. So, because I still have to pack my makeup, which is going in my backpack. So this is good. This is really good. First time to charm. I'm going to leave it alone because Frontier likes to lie and say stupid shit. Like, oh, actually 40 pounds. No, it's not. Mine says 39. No, it is not. Okay, good, good, good. So we're gonna move downstairs. I'm gonna start getting my stuff together that I'm actually taking, like tech stuff. I need a light purse. I do need a light purse. So maybe, do I have a smaller purse? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna take you guys downstairs with me. Hey y'all, welcome to the streaming setup. We gotta lock in for real. I have a lock on here, as you can see, per usual. And I bought it specifically for this trip. Damn, no, it's gonna be too big. I can't take it with me this time. Nope, can't do it. That was my Old Faithful. We're cutting it real close in here. At this point, we're done. Girl, overpacking at its max. Oh my gosh.